The GEO Diary app allows you to easily access your diary appointments through an app on your phone, via the marketplace, or direct on a web browser. In this video, I'll be showing you how your appointments in Agency Cloud are displayed on the app, how you can open properties and contacts, setting your location, and integrating with other apps. To start, we can go to Agency Cloud and take a look at my diary. Here we can see that I have 2 appointments for today. Let's see how this is displayed on the app. First, we need to launch GEO Diary from the marketplace, and we can do this by clicking on Apps. This will take us to the marketplace and my installed apps. By clicking GEO Diary, the app will launch inside of Agency Cloud, and I can see my same appointments. As the app is context aware and knows I'm accessing it through Agency Cloud, if I click on a property address, it will actually open the full property record with all related information on the screen. The same for any contact record, a landlord, vendor, applicant or tenant. Accessing the app from a mobile phone or a web browser will present slightly different options based on where you're opening it from. To demonstrate, I'll now load the app direct on a browser. Opening Chrome, I can enter the direct URL for GEO Diary, click Login, enter my Reapit Connect credentials and sign in. And I can see my appointments. So as we're on a web browser, I can now click on the same property, and this time it will load the information on screen, the address and any notes. If I do the same on a contact record, I'm presented with various options for communication. For example, if I click on the email icon, it will open my default mail client, which in this instance is Outlook. To demonstrate some of the other features, I'll now switch to my mobile phone. Loading Chrome or any browser in fact on my mobile, I'm going to go direct using the GEO Diary URL. I'll need to enter my Reapit Connect credentials and click Sign In. On first load, you'll notice that I have the option to save GEO Diary to my home screen. Simply clicking on the notification, I can then select Install. And we can now look at my installed apps and see that the icon will appear. This means you won't need to remember the website address. Clicking on GEO Diary to launch, we can look at some of the other features. So as before, if I click on a contact record, the share tray will appear with various options. For example, you can send a message using WhatsApp by simply clicking on the icon to launch WhatsApp, and it will pre-populate the contact telephone number for you. Another feature is to send an ETA text message. The ETA text message will pre-populate a message to the contact and calculate the distance, either by walking or driving. But before we send it, let's have a look and see how long it will take. Simply clicking on the map option from the top, the app will automatically calculate the distance, and we can see it will take 7 minutes. So let's send the ETA text message. Clicking on the drive icon, it will pre-populate a message to the attendee with the time of arrival, and I'll send it to myself so you'll be able to see the message. Another great feature GEO Diary provides is the ability to change your starting location. On either the diary or map screen, you can enter a new starting point by typing the address or postcode in the location field. Select from the options available, and the app will automatically update the distance. You can then click on Start Journey, and it will open your default navigation app. In this example, I'm using Google Maps for my turn-by-turn directions. Did you know if you have the AML Online Checklist app installed, you can easily view identity information? Looking back at the share tray and clicking on the icon, you will see that it will seamlessly transition you from the GEO Diary app to the AML Online Checklist app to allow you to update contact and identity information with the click of a button. Now from here, I can click back to go back to GEO Diary, Or with any Reapit app, you can select apps from the navigation bar to take you direct to the marketplace to view all your installed apps. You can also save the marketplace to your home screen. Simply click on the Settings icon from the top right-hand corner and click Add to Home Screen. This will make navigating between your apps and the marketplace even easier, and we also provide steps to do this on other devices. Click on Add and Add Automatically. We can take a look back at my apps, and you can see that the marketplace has been added as a direct link on my phone, and I can launch it to access all my installed apps, or even to launch Geo Diary again. Everything I've showed you today is available on a web browser, on a mobile phone, through the marketplace, or inside of Agency Cloud. If you have any questions or need any support on the features mentioned, please visit the associated documentation, and thanks for watching.